Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hadasa and I'm here with another interesting video on how to fix a pant pocket, or rather a trouser pocket. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to like and leave a comment on the comment section. Yeah, now these are the materials we'll be using in the video. We have this piece of cotton, a black one. Then we have this small piece which is 2 inches by 8. Then we have our fabric. I'll now measure 1 inch, and then down I'll measure 6.5 inches where the pocket should end. After that I'll take the cotton. I hope you guys see the shape in which I cut the cotton, the pocket cotton, and then I'll put the fabric on top of it like this for the trouser. I align it at the edges. You see, this is practical, so I hope you see, you understand whatever I'm telling you. Then with the small piece you put it on the 1 inch and at the 6.5 inches, and then you stitch. And after stitching the small piece on the fabric and the cotton, we'll now top stitch it as I'm showing you, from this upper end to the lower part on the 6.5. Like this. And after doing that, hope you guys see what I've done. I'll just fold it and top stitch again, but this time I'll use this canvas to make the pocket stiff and still. You put the canvas inside the top stitch part, then you stitch on top of the fabric now on its right side. I'll go ahead and stitch, and here we are using straight stitches because it will be seen on the outside of the pocket. And this is what we have after stop stitching it on the fabric. Now let's go to the next step, which is to stick the small piece on the cotton, because we don't want it to get out of the pocket when the trouser is worn. Now I'll go ahead and stitch it on the cotton like this. After that, I'll just remove that part because it's not now needed. Now I'll take this part of this piece which I cut while I was cutting the trouser, and then put it on this other side of the cotton, and then stitch on the curved part like this. After it is stitched, this is what we have. And here is it. I'll just go ahead and stitch at the upper part of the trouser to make sure the fabric and the facing now are intact. It's coming out nicely, guys. I'll now try to fold this piece of cotton as I'm doing, because I want to stitch on this lower part of the cotton to make our pocket complete. After folding it, I'll now stitch on top of it like this. And then we'll now go ahead and make our pocket complete by now stitching at the cotton at the lower part. And this is what we do, guys. We are almost done with our pocket. As easy as this.